YouTube, it's Alicia here. None other, I am here to talk to y'all about some Latin-owned beauty brands. Some of these brands we have heard of, and then some of them y'all might have not. And some are very noted. So let me start with some of the ones that are very noted that you probably didn't know were Spanish-owned brands. To get me to say, I'm going to start off with the ones that we are noted now. So you have Milk Cosmetics. Milk Cosmetics is a Spanish-owned brand. They are owned by Lori and Dana, and they got started in 2012. And their products retail between $12 and $58. And they are in, get this, also in Sephora. And I will leave a brand name for it below. So another one is Sigma Beauty, and they are owned by Renee Xavier Finlato, Filno, and Simone Xavier. Now, they started their brand in 2009, and their products retail from $8 to $44. So that's a pretty good brand. Another own brand you wouldn't know, the Beauty Blender, was created is a Spanish-owned brand by Ria, R-E-A, and Silva. So yeah, that's it. So let's get started on brands y'all probably didn't know. So I think y'all probably have heard of this brand. It's called Glamlit. Now Glamlit has palettes that looks like a burger or things, and when you open it, it's like vibrant colors and everything and stuff. So yeah, to get me to say, I think this is a pretty good brand. I actually went and explored their website a little bit before I came, and everything on their retail starts at $5 and retail for $45. The website is the products are some pretty good products. Now, the next product is a hair care product, and it is by Riosa, R-I-Z-O-S, Riosa Curls. And it's owned by this woman named Julissa, Julessa, Parado. And her hair, this is a hair care line, and everything retails from $10 to $22. So yeah, the next one is Vivid Cosmetics. Now they are owned by, I'm gonna just say the owner's first name, Lisa and Jayan, and I don't have an actual date when they started their company. Well, actually, yes, I do. They started a company in 2016, and their products actually retails from $18 to $23. So this is a pretty good company. Just from some of the reviews I saw, I see everybody kind of like the pigmentation and everything. So I think this is a good company to support if you're looking for a Spanish-owned brand to support. Now, Mamba Curls, my sister talks about them all the time, and it's owned by a young lady named Luna, L-U-L-U, Carrado, C-A-R-D-R-N-O. And this hair care product, my sister talks about this to me about this hair care product. She loves this hair care product, and it ranged from $22 to $28. it's a good product and thing. A Midas, Midas Cosmetics, and it's owned by Ricardo Newton's. Hope I'm pronouncing that name right. And they was founded in 2018, and their products retail from $7 to $36. Like from me just browsing on the site, the products look like they are some good products and stuff. So yeah. So then you have Luna Magic Beauty, and hope I pronounced this. I think these are some Dominican owned businesswomen. One is named Shahara, Shaira, and Mabel Ferris, and they started their company 2019, and their products retail from $8 to $18. They originally started off with eyelashes, and then they expanded the products from there. Yeah, that's a pretty good line. Now I gotta recognize this person because this is a fellow YouTuber, and it's the Artist Couture collection, and it's by Angel Mario, and everybody might know him as none other Mac Daddy. You see him mostly in a lot of Jackie Ina's videos, if you see him in videos. And he has a makeup line. That's his makeup line, and his products retail from $10 to $38, and you can also find his products also in Sephora. So yeah. All right, and we have the last but not least, we have Botanique Beauty, and this is a product that was created by Ada. I am not going to attempt to try to pronounce her name, but check below. But she created this line in 2019, and her products actually retail for $10.99 to $11.99. Pretty good product. And you can actually find her particular products in Walmart, Amazon, and Target. And I'm going, hold up. You can buy them in local stores, so it's a affordable brand. But yeah, those are the Hispanic owned beauty brands I think you need to try out, because this are some pretty good beauty brands. And I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.